Welcome to Assembly, where I'm going to demo how to connect your Assembly to Rippling and show you a few key features of the platform. To connect your Assembly account to Rippling, go to your admin section, click Users, then Manage, and select See More Integrations. From there, select Rippling and follow the steps to enter your credentials to complete your connection. Please note that if you have the app already installed directly from within Rippling, you may need to uninstall the app in Rippling before you can connect within Assembly. From this screen, we tell you everything that Assembly accesses directly from within Rippling. There's more information on this within our help article. During the connection process, you can select who should automatically get access to Assembly. This allows you to exclude contractors if you would like. You can also select when you want to activate new users in Assembly. You will make additional selections on Assembly access back in Assembly once the connection is successful. We also have more details in our Rippling integration help article linked in the description. After you've configured these settings, complete your setup by clicking Next. At this point, your connection is successful. For added security, you also have the option to set up single sign-on, SSO, with your Rippling connection. This would require all of your Assembly users to log in through Rippling single sign-on. Our Rippling integration makes it simple. Simply follow the steps to copy and paste your Assembly ID into the input. Determine whether you want to give your employees access to the admin SSO. We recommend not allowing this. Please skip the group attributes step. This is already taken care of behind the scenes. You can also choose to test the SSO integration. However, you don't have to do this step either. You can simply test this out when you log into Assembly next after completing your connection. Once all steps are complete, you'll have some additional steps to take to configure your syncing settings in Assembly. Please note you may need to refresh your page to complete the setup. Also, please note that it may take some time for the connection between Rippling and Assembly to finish while we import your users, depending on how large the connected Rippling account is. Once the connection is complete, you can select specific groups or companies you want to sync with Assembly. You can also select everyone. Whoever is selected in this step will automatically be invited to Assembly when they become activated in Rippling. Please note that if you have selected to exclude contractors, if the contractors are a part of any of the selected groups, they will be excluded from this sync. From the Configure Invite step, select whether you want to send invitations now or queue them up for later. If you queue them up for later, you can send them out whenever you are ready. For auto-approve settings, determine whether you'd like for anyone who joins the selected Rippling groups to be automatically added to Assembly, or if you would like admins to approve them before joining. If you selected Send Invites Later, all of the users that were added as part of those groups will go into a queued status, meaning that once you're in admin, you have to manually approve all of the queued members to invite them to your Assembly. If you selected Invite Them Now, they will automatically be activated. To activate the queued members, select All and then select the checkbox to activate them. Once approved, they will go into an active state and they will receive emails to join the Assembly platform. Assembly syncs with Rippling every 6 hours or when we detect a change in an employee information within Rippling. You always have the option to manually sync the data at any time as well by clicking Sync Data. The final configuration in your Rippling connection is to set up your single sign-on if that's something you want to enforce or offer to your employees. To do this, go to the SAML authentication page. Click Pull SAML to automatically import all of your SAML details from within Rippling. And then you can configure whether you want to enforce this for all members or make it optional or exclude manually invited members. You can also customize the sign-in button to say sign in with Rippling or sign in with whatever you would like. Click Save and Test, which will authenticate you in Rippling. And then it will take you back into Assembly where you scroll down and click Enable SAML. If you have enforced SAML SSO for all employees in your company, all of your employees will receive an email instructing them to log in with Rippling. All they have to do is enter their email and log in from there. Next, I'm going to show you how to use one of Assembly's most popular features, giving recognition. Assembly powers all employees, from executives to managers to individual contributors, to publicly celebrate and reward all of the amazing things people do on a day-to-day basis. To give recognition, click Give Recognition and select the person or people you wish to recognize. Tell the rest of your company what amazing things this person did. You can make it fun by adding a GIF. Lastly, add points to reward them for all their hard work. From the recognition post, anyone in your company can reply to the post, give additional recognition, and even add more points to boost the recognition and show extra appreciation. Your employees can use all the points they earn to redeem any of the multiple different rewards we offer. You can enable gift cards for any country in the world. To redeem, simply browse or search for your desired reward and complete the redemption process. Another core feature of Assembly is our workflows, or flows as we call them. You can automate any work process, survey, engagement initiative like contests, and so much more. I'm going to show you how our integration makes this easy. Creating a sales contest, I'll share it with everyone in the sales department with the click of a button. Anyone who joins the sales department will automatically get added to this flow without any manual updates needed. Once the flow is created, anyone in the sales department can submit their entries. Flows are fully customizable, and you can add whatever questions you want into them. For this sales contest, users can upload a screenshot or a picture of their sales win and then add a description to tell you more about it. Once the post is posted, you or anyone who has permission to view the posts for this flow can interact with the post and even give a boost to celebrate the sales win. If you want to share this post more broadly, you can make it an announcement. Click the three-dotted menu on the post, select Share as an Announcement. Enter the announcement title and description, choose a color. Select whether you want to allow people to reply and react to the post, then select whether you want to send out notifications for this announcement. Once the announcement is shared, it will appear at the top of the feed for everyone who has access to view the announcement. From there, they can click into the announcement to view the post.